Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can run .exe file on Android. So running .exe files or Windows executable files on Android is not natively supported because Android uses a different operating system compared to Windows. However, you can use workarounds to run the .exe files on Android using emulators or remote desktop solutions. And through this video, I'm going to show you a few methods. First, you can use a Windows emulator such as Exagear or Wine because some emulators allow you to run Windows app on Android, including .exe files. So option one, you can use a Wine. It's free and open source emulator because Wine allows you to run Windows application on Android, including .exe files. So you can just install Wine for Android first. You can just go to the Wine official website. You can open your browser, then just find this one, Wine HQ. You can just tap on download and download the Wine APK for Android, but you need to make sure that you enable the install from unknown source in the Android settings. So after you install Wine, you can just open the downloaded APK to install Wine on your device, and after installation you can just open the Wine app and navigate to the locations of your .exe file using Wine's interface. Tap the .exe file to run it, and you may need to configure additional setting based on the apps. You can also use the second emulator called Exagear, but this is paid app and it has limited support because Exagear is another emulator that support running Windows programs on Android. So you can just install Exagear from the Google Play Store. You can find it on Play Store in here. You just find it, Exagear, this one. I don't know why it doesn't show, but you can just open the Exagear after you install it and use it to locate and run your .exe file. But you need to know that this is a paid app and support may be limited for some newer apps. And next, you can also use remote desktop apps to run the .exe files on a PC. If you have a Windows PC, you can remotely access it from your Android device using remote desktop software. This method allows you to run .exe files on your PC and control it via your Android device. So just install the remote desktop apps like a Microsoft Remote Desktop or Chrome Remote Desktop or AnyDesk, and you can just set up the app. Follow the instruction to set up the remote desktop on your PC and Android device, and you can just use the Android device to access your PC and run the .exe file as you normally would on your computer. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.